Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the Pulley V-belt pulley. As you know that the Pulley V-belt or the accessory belt is needed in order to control your aircon compressor, and also it is used for your alternator. Without it there will be a couple of issues, especially with the battery. So the first thing that you need to do is to remove those strip bolts that are holding the tensioner together. This is a VW Jetta, so it is a bit easy to remove the tensioner, and you use that 13mm to remove that tensioner. Once the tensioner is out, you can then inspect the part. As you can see, the pulley in this case is really messed up. It is not spinning, and that was the cause for the belt to get out of that of those other pulleys. So then you need a torque hex to remove that old pulley. Just to make sure that you inspect that the new pulley is similar to the old pulley. The new pulley, I got it from Volkswagen, but you can get it from any other auto parts place. So just by inspection, ensure that you have all the parts correctly. You can see the previous one or the old one was really messed up. You need to ensure that you store the other bolt, because that's the bolt that you are going to use to hold the new pulley together. It does not come with a new bolt. Again, you use a T-hex torque there. Just check that the new pulley, you can see this one is working properly. It is spinning without any issues. After replacing it, make sure that you tighten it to the correct spec. In this case, I just tightened it. And then you need a Pulley V belt. You can use the old one, or you can replace it with a new Pulley V belt. As you can see now, everything is back in place. I've also put back the tensioner there, so now I won't be experiencing any issues on the aircon or on the alternator, because now everything will be charging. That's it.